Cambodia Embassy Attestation is the process that makes your Indian documents legally valid for use in Cambodia. It is required when applying for a job, higher studies, business, or migration, and it confirms that your documents are genuine and accepted by the Cambodian authorities. With Lingua, the process is simple and hassle-free. You share your documents with us, and our expert team manages the complete attestation journey on your behalf. Local authorities first verify your documents, then attest them with the Ministry of External Affairs, and finally legalize them at the Cambodian Embassy, making them ready for official use. Lingua provides a secure, end-to-end service, including coordination with all departments, regular status updates, and safe delivery of your attested documents to your doorstep. Processing time depends on the type of document and government approvals. Choose Lingua's Embassy Attestation services for a reliable, smooth, and stress-free experience.